In this example, we are going to look at two different methods for multiplying two binomials. We have to multiply the binomial 3x minus 5 times the binomial 2x plus 7. The first method we're going to look at is called the F.O.I.L method, which stands for first, outside, inside, last. So let's take a look at first. First means you multiply the first two terms of each binomial. So 3x and 2x are the first terms of each binomial. When we multiply 3x times 2x, we get 6x squared. Next, we're going to look at the outside terms. That means if you look at both binomials in order from left to right, the terms on the outsides would be the 3x all the way on the left and the plus 7 all the way on the right. So if we multiply 3x by 7 times 7, we get 21x. Now on the inside, we look at the two terms that are in the middle. So that would be our negative 5 times our positive 2x. And that gives us negative 10x. And then for our last two terms, that means what is the last term of each binomial? Well, in the first binomial, the last term is negative 5. And that will get multiplied by the last term of the second binomial, which is 7. So we'll do negative 5 times 7 for negative 35. So really all we're doing is distributing, but you have to remember to distribute 4 times. So both terms in the first binomial each get multiplied by both terms in the second binomial. So that's 4 times that we distribute. Now we take these 4 terms and we write them as one polynomial. So I get 6x squared plus 21x, because that was positive, minus 10x, and then minus 35. Now, if you look in the middle, you should see the x terms are like terms, so we can combine them, and we get a final answer of 6x squared plus 11x minus 35. So our final answer has 3 terms, and it is a trinomial. Let's look at method 2. Method 2 is called the box method. We're going to get the same answer, but it's just a different method depending on how you want to approach the problem. So in the box method, we're going to take the first binomial and we're going to write the terms on the side of the box. Notice you have to create a box that's a 2 by 2. So on the side of the box, I'm going to put the 3x and the minus 5. On the top of the box, I'm going to write the terms of the second binomial, which are 2x plus 7. Now, inside each square, we put the product of each of the terms of the binomials. So again, there's 4 squares because we have to distribute 4 times. So in the first square, I'm going to put the product of 3x times 2x, and I'm going to get 6x squared. Then I'm going to move over to the right. So now I'm going to multiply 3x by 7, and that's going to give me 21. Now I'm going to go down. 21x. Whoops. Now I'm going to go down, and I'm going to multiply the negative 5, and I'm going to bring down that 2x. And when I multiply negative 5 times 2x, I get negative 10x. And now I'm going to go to the bottom right, which is going to be my constants, negative 5 times positive 7, which gives me negative 35. So you'll notice I get the same 4 terms in a row that I got in my first method. And when I combine like terms in the middle, I still get the same answer, 6x squared plus 11x minus 35. So each method will get you to the correct answer. It just depends on which method you prefer.